So hello guys. So today we're going to review the crimper. The crimper. This is the crimper machine for coin cell. Oh, ada password.
Okay. So dari sini just tekan ni je. Tekan ni sekali, lepas tu dia akan turun. Angkat, keluarkan, dah. Macam tu je.
Oh, only one button. Start button.
Only one button, start button.
Button.
Teacher, di sini pakai ni.
Kena tak? Kena alai.
Lambat sangat.
Tu. Mana tu yang berkarat tu?
Okay, actually this is the crimper machine to press the coin cell. So this is the coin cell. So this is the elements material. So we put our active material inside to press it to become a coin cell. We are using the crimper machine. So as you can see here, you can set the pressure and also you can set the count. That's all. Simple thing, pressure. And maybe they will ask about the area. In the pressure in kilo unit. So it's quite simple. Just click here, open power at first. You set the pressure 300 kilo or 100 kilo. You can calculate lah how many pascal for 300 kilo. And just you click the start button. When you click the start button, what happened? This thing will move down and press the coin cell. It will press the coin cell, so the coin cell will be pressed under the amount of pressure that you set. And after it pressed, at what seconds it will move up. So it's quite simple. So I think that's all for a crimper machine. Thank you.